Hey guys, kindly leave anything from your hand because in this video I'm just providing you a real free gift that enables you to dominate Pinterest and get serious cash from this stunning platform while you are promoting anything you want, whether it is article, video, product and etc. So buckle up and now let's get started. And here I just spend whole days to bring for you an amazing big folder that says free Pinterest keywords. So let's open up. And here I just extract the old long tail keywords extracted directly from Pinterest in more than 50 niches. These niches are the most searched ones on Pinterest by its visitors. As you see, huge amounts of these lists about the long tail keywords extracted from Pinterest from auto suggestions, like for parenting, gardening, losing weight, home workouts, gaming, vintage, and so on and so forth. And not only that, with their rankings on Pinterest search bar. And to make it more clear for you, let's open one of these ones like swimming or survival hacks keywords data. And when you open these files, this CSV file, it could be like this one. So how you can prepare it to be more visible and to be more organized, just you can follow me in these few steps. First of all, just head over to page layout to change from this tab. Okay, and now we can click over this first column A and go up there to data and text to columns. Then check this delimited option, next, and check this comma option and next, finish, and that's it. Here you find your table ready to explore all these keywords for this specific niche as you see, like survival hacks, Minecraft for kids, videos, hacks and trips, camping ideas, and so on and so forth. And for sure, for many niches in this amazing folder, you can find a list up to 300 long tail keywords for this niche. And as about their ranking on Pinterest, here you can find this column P, rank number 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. So what does it mean by their rankings on Pinterest? For example, in order to simplify this concept for you, let's go directly to Pinterest.com. And here I just search for this keyword or this niche, gardening. And here when you click over this search bar, you can find some suggestions from Pinterest, like gardening aesthetic ideas for beginners, gardening tools, tips, outfit, and so on. And here, this one is the most popular and the most searched keyword regarding gardening aesthetic. So it comes in the first place, and then the second one, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. So here the rank number 1, 2, 3, 4. And just I extracted all these keywords in alphabetical order with their rankings on this list that I'll give you for free. And the best part here in this Excel or CSV file, you can actually make and get all these keywords with the higher rankings just with one click. How to do that? Simply we can go to this column and you can go up there to data tab and filter. Then I can actually get all these keywords with the rank number 1, and that's it. So these keywords are the most popular and the most searched keywords regarding this niche and this query. Survival hacks, nature, survival tips, and so on and so forth. And for sure, in the next part in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use these keywords to optimize your pins professionally and to get more views and for sure clicks. So here, that means this ranking on Pinterest. So we can go back here. Okay, as you observe. And for sure, here you can find all these lists here regarding the most popular niches on Pinterest. Photography, pregnancy, co-hosts, relationships, retro, and so on and so forth. And that is a completely free folder for you as a giveaway. However, on the other side, if you are a real serious in Pinterest marketing and need higher domination level on Pinterest to promote your stuff, I just crafted for you a premium Pinterest bundle. And just I give it name, this the ultimate Pinterest marketing bundle, and it contains some exclusive perks for you. So let's open it, and here in this amazing folder you can find many of these amazing features. Starting with this one, Pinterest Keywords Premium. For sure, they are list of the long tail keywords and all possible suggestions for this keyword extracted directly from Pinterest regarding any specific niche. And this list contains up to 3,000 keywords, and for some niches you can find their list up to 6,000 long tail keywords. So for example, if I just go to this one, gardening keywords data, here you can find a huge list of these long tail keywords. Here you can find many of these keywords regarding this gardening niche, as you see, with all alphabetical suggestions regarding Pinterest auto suggestions for gardening pets, for B, C, D, and so on and so forth. And for sure you can find this gardening keyword either on the first or the middle or the end of this long tail keyword. The all possible suggestions extract directly from Pinterest, as you see. And here's the first perk here if you get this premium bundle for Pinterest marketing. So here you can find many of these other features, like you can find this wonderful one that's about the best pins reports. Here I just extracted the best performing 150 pins in every single niche. Yes, the best performing pins in every single niche, and show higher on the search results about this query. So for example, if I go directly to gardening one table report, it would be like this interactive table like that. Here you can find all these 150 the best performing and the best ranking pins for this niche, as you see, either videos, a static image, and so on. Not only that, it contains all metrics regarding this pin, such as a title, the link, how much engagement on this pin, like saves, repins, comments, wows, thank you, comments, the publishing date and description, tags used, and so on and so forth, as you observe. And here the best part, you can actually filter all these pins in this table just with one click regarding a specific metric. So for example, if I just wanna know the best pins regarding the saves, here you can click over this one, saves, as you see. So here you can find the most saved pin regarding this niche is this one with its beautiful thumbnail. So for sure you can copycat its title and its strategy to how to rank higher on Pinterest pin regarding this specific niche, as you see. Or you can filter these pins regarding for sure the comments. So here you can find this one, the highest pins regarding comments is this one, as you see, like this title, 50 times people executed brilliant home design ideas, and so on. High love and like engagement rates, total reactions, and so on and so forth. So you can get the best 150 performing pins regarding any specific niche just with a click of a button. And not only that, here you can find also in this amazing premium bundle a Midjourney library. Over 5,000 Midjourney prompts to get exclusive and stunning images in many niches and concepts. So for example, I just opened this one, Midjourney prompts. Here you can find a huge list. I said earlier, 5,000 Midjourney prompts to create beautiful images on any AI image generator with different niches, inspirational landscapes, buildings, okay, and passing through different one, like for music instruments, science, mythology, food, drinks, vintage, retro, sports, hobbies, t-shirt designs for print on demand, photography, as you observe, painting, sticker, pattern designs, tattoo designs, cyberpunk, wildlife, neon images, floral minimalism, and so on and so forth, just for you as a bonus in this amazing bundle for you. Exclusive ultimate Pinterest marketing bundle. Not only that, here I just give you as well a beautiful ebook how to promote your print on demand designs and products professionally on Pinterest step by step. If you're interested in promoting your products, especially print on demand like Redbubble, Etsy, Merch by Amazon, here this ebook would benefit for you and make you professional how you promote your products and to get more traffic and sales on your print on demand platforms. Not only that, I just gave you the all Pinterest marketing videos from my channel to follow these strategies, how you can optimize your pins and how you promote your products like a bro on pinterest.com using these files, keywords, and so on. And for sure, if you get this amazing bundle, I would give you the future updates whenever it happens, like more niches, more data, and so on and so forth. So you have these options. The free folder for you, it's completely for free. And the second one, I just take it as an appreciation for my effort and to encourage me to do more later. So now in the next part in this video, how we can actually leverage these keywords to optimize your Pinterest pins. So if you go together to the first one, free Pinterest keyword, for example, so I will go directly to fitness keywords or the women over 40 or yoga, something like that. So I can go to yoga keywords. And here, the first option, you can leverage these keywords either on the free folder or the premium bundle. Here you can get many ideas and you can brainstorming ideas how you can create your content about on articles, videos, social media posts, and etc. Like for yoga anatomy, yoga artwork, black women, block exercises, branding, pole exercises. Here it's amazing keyword as you see, vision board, flow poses for two people, and so on, outfit, pants, emoji for kids group. So you can find many of these keywords and ideas to create your content if you're interested in yoga niche. As for print on demand or YouTube channel or social media content and so on. Secondly, if you want to optimize your Pinterest pins regarding this keyword, so for example, if I go directly to how you can optimize your title about a specific keyword, for example, these the most searched keywords that are extracted from Pinterest itself. So if I can make a title about the yoga tattoos, for example, that ranked number 1 regarding this letter T. So I can copy this one for sure. And now we head over to ChatGPT. Then we can ask ChatGPT to give us an attractive Pinterest title that contains this specific term or this specific keyword. Like this one. Write me some powerful and attractive Pinterest pin titles that focus on that specific keyword, yoga tattoos. So click over this button and you can find some suggestions and examples of this one, yoga tattoos. As you see, yeah, tattoos designs, the best yoga tattoos from inner space. So you can find many of these content ideas to create your pins about the yoga tattoos if you want to dominate this specific sub niche or this specific keyword as you see. Perfect, isn't it? So the first way here, you can actually optimize your title regarding your specific keyword. So how you can optimize your description on Pinterest regarding this keyword as well. Simply you can head over back to your list like this one, and if you want to optimize your Pinterest pin regarding the specific keyword yoga tattoos, firstly just you can refine this list to get the most possible keywords that are relevant and related to this specific word. So for example, I just go to this column here and go to data and filter, and from this arrow just you can refine your search. Like I just search for all keywords that contain tattoos, tattoo, as you see. Perfect. Like for these ones: yoga tattoos for women, 8 lamps for yoga tattoo, and so on. So here I just use all these keywords, copy, and go directly to ChatGPT as well, and ask for to give me a powerful Pinterest description that contain these 3 keywords with their alternatives and their relevant ones to make your Pinterest more search engine optimized, or SEO. Like this one, give me a powerful search engine optimized Pinterest description that contains these words and with their relevant alternatives. So click over this one. For sure, it's better for you to give it the title of your Pinterest you want to make here on Pinterest from these applications. And then you can find these keywords are included in this description, as you see, with their alternatives like trends, yoga, love for yoga. So here you can make your Pinterest pin more optimized by these suggested keywords from Pinterest, and people are looking for these keywords at the max. And for sure, as for Pinterest description, you've got to insert some relevant hashtags, most searched keywords from your list. By the end of the video, you have these options. Either you can get the free bundle, the free folder for you. It's an amazing one, by the way, to get over 300 long-tail keywords for every single niche. And if you want a more higher domination level on Pinterest marketing, you've got to use this premium bundle that contains more of these perks, special and exclusive for you. And by the end of the video, thank you for watching. And if you have any question, you can leave us a comment section. See you in the next video.